The house is too quiet, like a library where someone is about to sneeze. Then it hits. Mommy! Cue the symphony of sniffles and coughs. My brain instantly calculates how many sick days I have left. Spoiler, it's never enough. One particularly trying day, my son decided to use his thermometer as a magic wand. He cured the dog, the furniture, even the goldfish. I considered faking a fever just to join the fun. Forget Pinterest-worthy crafts. Sick kids don't need elaborate, they need engaging. Bring out the big guns. Pots and pans become drums. Blankets transform into magical forts. Bonus points for turning everyday objects into get-well tools. A wet washcloth? No, it's a magic compress. That spoon, it's a magical medicine dispenser. Ah, the joys of conference calls with a chorus of coughs in the background. My advice? Embrace the chaos. The key is to sound vaguely professional while simultaneously cutting crusts off sandwiches. Remember, your coworkers were once parents of tiny humans too. They understand, probably. And if they don't, at least you'll have a funny story for the next office party. Let's face it, sick days with kids are like trying to fold a fitted sheet. It's messy, unpredictable, and you're not quite sure how it's going to turn out. But amidst the chaos, find the humor. Because sometimes a good laugh is all it takes to survive a sick day. That and a really big bottle of hand sanitizer.